Good afternoon. My name is Carlos Norbey Corredor Serrano. I'm from Villacaro, north of Santander, Colombia. What is dialect? In linguistics, the word dialect refers to one of the possible variantes of the language. The term dialect is frequently used to refer to a geographic variant of a language associated with certain area. Each student will send an example about dialect according to the Colombian context. Example: Coastal Spanish, which is set of the dialects that are part of the Caribbean variants of the Spanish language that are spoken on the Colombian Caribbean coast. The dialect is used in the region comprised by the departments of La Guajira, Magdalena, Atlántico, Sucre, Córdoba, Bolívar, the northern three quarters of the department of the Cesar, and a small extension of the north of the departments of Santander and Norte de Santander, in addition from Urabá area. Thank you.